Y'all be dragging it with the ranch. Nobody eat ranch like that. Cause why? I see everything but blue cheese. Like, what are we doing? So the bed got put up. My man put the bed together last night. This is a king. We slept so good. I'm so happy we don't have to sleep on that blow bed anymore. But it's day 10. It's May 10th. So yeah, this is the bed. We still gotta organize this stuff, but now that we got this out the way, we could focus on other things. I'm very, very happy about this purchase. And the bed is comfortable. So yeah. And we actually cleared up a little bit. He got to take this couch out. This half, he's going to bring that to his mom's basement. But we still doing our thing. Oh, let me show y'all the cart. This is the cart that I built yesterday. I'm so happy about. I put my toaster oven up here. And yeah, this is how it looks. I'm very happy about this. It's so cute. It's more space because we didn't have a lot of cabinet space. And I got rid of all of that stuff. And then we have this. I'm trying to decide if I want to put this over here. Because I'm a righty. Like this left side stuff, I don't know. But this knife set, the knives are in here. So I have to clean. I have to wash them. And then I'll put them in there. Yeah, I mean, my elephant is over here. Our pictures. I hate this picture. I don't know where we could put this, but when we get our TV stand, we'll put it somewhere. I think I want to take this out right now. I wanted to make some avocado toast, but I don't know. My stomach is hurting. So I think I'm gonna just, here I go, look at the mess again. You know what? Let me go get dressed and get ready for work. It's Sunday, it's Mother's Day. I am working. One thing about me, I'm gonna work. I don't care. My manager, my supervisor asked me if I wanted to take off, and I said no, I gotta make this money. So therefore, I will be making this money. I'm gonna make avocado toast tomorrow. I'm actually going to clean these things and put this in a dish rack. But I just love my whole setup. I love it. I'm so excited to start cooking. You know, it's starting to feel, now I'm starting to get more comfortable. I feel even better when I put some curtains up because it's cute, but because the trees is blocking, nobody could really see. But we really need to put some curtains up. I think that's going to be our next focus this week. Yeah, my daughter definitely needs curtains in her room. So this is a start. I really love this setup. And the top cabinet will be for food and stuff. So yeah, it's just organizing time. It's just organizing time. I gotta get me a caulk gun so I can continue to caulk cracks and stuff because I don't play with bugs. I'm in Price Chopper right now. Got my mom some flowers. Pink roses, red roses. And now I'm going to get me some food because I did not eat anything. So I'm looking for food. I love Price Chopper. They got everything. Look at this. They got freaking roasted turkey dinner, spaghetti. They got a tender meal. I guess this is mashed potatoes, something that you get from KFC. And then they got chicken and broccoli Alfredo, tortellini. Like, look at all this food. General Toast. Like, I don't even know what I want. But I know I need to eat something. So, yeah, I love Price Chopper so much. I love me some Price Chopper. I fake want a sandwich. And it's cheap, too. Like, this is only 8 minutes from my house. Like, look at the sandwiches they got here. And it come with chips. So, I don't know if I want any hot food. They got pizzas, like, it's crazy the stuff they got. Like, I don't know what I want. It's too many options. They got freaking Indian food, chicken tikka masala. They got curry chicken, butter chicken. Like, the whole Panera section is crazy. Chicken pot pie soup. Like, wow. So, it's either I'm gonna get me some wings or I'm gonna get me a sandwich or something. But I really need to eat something. I want to hurry up and get out of here because it's so crowded. Like, everybody is getting last minute Mother's Day stuff. They got turkey on a pretzel roll. Shut up. This is something I would totally eat. They got wings, hot honey wings. Like, the possibilities is endless in here. I got y'all at this angle because I'm trying to get used to vlogging again. I mean, I really don't care. I could just do this. I don't really care. People need to mind their business. I think I want to get me some wings. They got hot honey wings, mix and match, made in store. Oh, hold on. Look at these wings, y'all. Garlic palm, potato, bacon, cheddar. What? Tots. Mini corn dogs. I think I'm gonna get some wings, y'all. Okay, so now that that's out the way, I need to get some blue cheese. I can't eat wings without blue cheese. Like, I can't. I'm looking for the blue cheese right now. Damn, see it. I see like, why people be hating on blue cheese? Nobody eats ranch. Like, I'm sorry. Like, y'all be dragging it with the ranch. Nobody eat ranch like that. Because why? I see everything but blue cheese. Like, what are we doing? What are we doing? Would it be in a cheese aisle? Because I don't normally shop there. Yeah. What the? Yeah. Let me see. Why? Okay, ranch. Bruh. Nobody likes ranch like that. Come on. I see no blue cheese. It's pissing me off. Me and my homegirls. Just like that, the 10-hour shift is over. I'm so sleepy. Now it's time to start walking to the front. Tired, boss. Can't wait to get in my king size bed.